Here's some indoor air quality trivia. Subscribe. What indoor pollutant can arise from mold? Is it A, carbon dioxide, B, mycotoxins, C, bacteria, or D, dust particles? The correct answer is B, mycotoxins. What is the term for gases emitted from materials? Is it A, methane, B, carbon dioxide, C, volatile organic compounds, or D, nitrogen oxide? The correct answer is C, volatile organic compounds. What device measures indoor air pollutants? Is it A, smoke detector, B, humidity gauge, C, thermostat, or D, air quality monitor? The correct answer is D, air quality monitor. What indoor condition can promote dust mite growth? Is it A, bright light, B, cold temperatures, C, high humidity, or D, low oxygen? The correct answer is C, high humidity. Which organization sets indoor air quality standards? Is it A, FDA, B, OSHA, C, or D, EPA? The correct answer is D, EPA. What cooking process can elevate indoor particulates? Is it A, frying, B, steaming, C, boiling, or D, baking? The correct answer is A, frying. What must be regularly replaced to maintain air quality? Is it A, air ducts, B, smoke detectors, C, air filters, or D, dehumidifiers? The correct answer is C, air filters. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.